LADC Chairman in CCB Rules Palzuta Sisona Kaishwa hi apoi kanti ZPM Lai District Headquarter Longtlai LADC Emergency Sison Nemeka Chairman Pu Vanlal Hwagachuan CCB Rules Po Chain Deputy Chairman Thana Kalpuya hei LADC Dan Palzuna le mipuite zalauna lianta ka kan ngayani July ni riat sangni somni pali Wednesday ya LADC Emergency Sisona LADC Chairman Yan LADC in Kaishwaina Dan Dalai Autonomous District Council Constitution Conduct of Business Extra Rules 2010 Chapter 7 District Council Session Conduct and Business Tier of General Rule 54 List of Business Clause 1 Le Chapter 13 Conduct of Business Miscellaneous Rule 141 District Committee and Power of the Chairman Clause 3 Tibo Chia in Deputy Chairman Thanna Hun Taka Kalpui Lavin Danina Soyang Hun Bi Le Kalphung Tibo Chia in Chopchil Man Mo Takin Deputy Chairman in Thanna Nei Ania hei LADC Dan Le Mi Puite Zalaw na lian tak ni in LADC Chairman Yan Amo Purna Le CCB Rules sa Shitiang Lawa kan ngaya apoi kan tihle ani heti lai hian ZPM Legislature Party Leader Pu Ke Shikung le athopuiten Dan Palzut na omreng chunga Sisona Teldu Lava ZPM Legislature Party Member 10 Sison Hall an Chwasan Ngam hi an Hwai Sen kan thi in digna andu na hi kan chuang tak zeta INC le MNF in zom te Kaishwai ULP Sarkar hian LADC Dan le dun te Palzuta Pathiani min pek heram in rail bol na sang ber hi zalaw ta ka enkol to lo turin kan ngen bokani